channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk. I do editing Disney. And we are on day 4? I don't know. Kind of mysterious today. Woohoo! My tongue feels better. Thanks for asking. But now I have like the crazy allergies. I don't know what's going on with my body. But let's have fun.
Excuse me, you there?
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, sure, Goofy. I guess I can help out with that.
Thanks! Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
All right, going right this way. All aboard!
Hey, Mick and Mia.
Sure you take good care of our friend.
Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
What must have hit that track switch?
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park. And thanks for sticking with me.
Well, man. Oh, guys, we need a Good morning. Today has been a little bit weird. We came in really early, but Tower of Terror and Rock and Roller Coaster were both down, so we had to do like last minute decisions. We went to Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, which is really, really cute. And then we headed over to Toy Story Mania, which was like a 5-minute thing. And then, is that what we done? And then, oh, that's nice. And then we headed over to Rock and Roller Coaster because it reopened. We waited about 15-20 minutes. And now we are just waiting outside of Tower of Terror, hoping it randomly opens while we wait, but we'll see. My tongue's doing a little bit better, but I don't know if you can hear, now my allergies are kicking in. So if it's not one thing, it's another. But yeah. We have Olga's reservations today and a run to Roasters probably somewhere in the future.
Hi guys, she's out of commission for a little bit, so I'm taking over. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna start a separate one, link will be in the comments below. We were waiting outside after of Rock and Roller Coaster, and we went to the shade, so it's kind of nice. We were waiting, and we're trying to get to Olga's Cantina, and we ended up being able to pop on the ride, and it was only a 5-minute wait. And by the time we got up to the queue, it was 60 minutes. So we definitely did it right. So now we're running to Olga's and see you soon.
Olga's Cantina. It was disappointing. We got shoved in a bar and it was really uncomfortable. I like the Disneyland one more. And now we're over at Ronto Roaster. Brendan's already eating. And we got a big soda and a Ronto. Oh, you got breakfast Ronto. You got two?
You should say bright suns at roll call. Excellent.
Hey everyone, we are on part 2. We haven't seen you in a while. So last time you saw us, I don't know, we got run to Roasters. Brendan got breakfast, I got lunch. So good, right?
Coffee.
Can't miss. We got coffee, not the same as Disneyland. Very coffee-ish. And but it's weird because when I came with Kat 2 days ago, it was good. So I think it's just
We
the
had
batch.
like one coffee machine for the entire park.
Maybe that's why I think it's just the batch. And it took a while. We like the popcorn.
Yeah.
We've never had the popcorn and we liked it.
We didn't get the sweet and savory one, we just got the blue one.
Blue one, yeah.
I think it's buttered popcorn.
It was good.
Okay.
Then we pin traded, which you'll see the video.
Yeah.
We shopped around. We had a Genie pass for Slinky Dog. And then we went back to the hotel so I could figure my life out. That's why I could talk a little bit. We ordered some things from CVS for my allergies, for my tongue. So, and I took a nap. So I'm a little bit better, a little more sorted. And we have a bunch of Genie passes back to back to back. So
Here we go.
woohoo! Oh, and Brendan needs to try the tachos. Uh-huh.
Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara. Red craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. We rock. Red Troop, Blue Fire, we got a clear path so transport can make a jump.
Right there. It's okay. We're with the resistance. We're gonna get you out. Follow me.
Out. Who picked these two droids anyway?
These escape pods just below us. Take the lift down. Hurry. Hurry. No, not up. I said down. You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Hey guys, we're back. We did what, the Mickey Railway?
Uh-huh.
Pretty done that. So that was that happened. We did Rise. That was fun. Always good. It's up there in my top favorite things.
I'm working on it. Hold on. There you go. Uh-huh.
Feel like that?
Higher. There you
A lot
go.
of effort.
There you go.
That's way too much effort. We tried tachos. Those were good. We tried the Wookiee cookie. That was good.
It was Brendan's quest.
And yeah, that's it, right? Oh, we did some pin trading, so that was cool.
Dining Lane. Tell them about the dining lane.
Oh, we had Toy Story Mania, which is kind of boring because they're already like demolished. But it closed down, so we got a free pass through into Tower of Terror with a 120-minute wait.
What's he doing? There's a basket? Well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna have to end it here because after what you saw, we realized that our Genie Pass could not be used for Tower of Terror. So we ended up just doing Rock and Roller Coaster twice in a row, which was totally fine with us. A little bit sad for Brendan, but totally fine. And then we called it a day. We went back to the hotel a little bit early. We got to do every single ride. I definitely recommend the Genie Pass. I believe the only things we waited for was the morning when we did rope drop, but you noticed that we didn't wait like
at all for those rides, and then everything else was Genie Pass, and everything was like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I will say that Slinky Dog Dash runs out really early, and then Twilight or Tower of Terror is the next one to go. So if you're gonna do Genie Passes, those are the first two to go. Rise of the Resistance, they did sell out, I want to say between the first 2 hours that the park was open. As you could tell, park opening is totally worth it, especially if you're staying in one of the resorts where you get to go in 30 minutes early, because we were on a ride 5 minutes before even our time started. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see the rest of our days at Disney World and future adventures where I can actually talk and take better allergy medicine, because as you can tell, I'm back to normal now that I'm home. I hope you enjoyed and have a magical day. Until next time, adios.
Oh, would you look at that? Clones. Yeah, we get them from time to time. Although these are not identical. I see a difference in their noses. Clear.